Welcome to this QuickBooks tutorial on cleaning up the vendor bill pay screen. Oftentimes when QuickBooks users create a bill, they sometimes then write a check to pay for that bill without using the bill payment functionality. In this situation, you can see where a bill was created and coded to utilities and gas. Get out of that, and then a check was subsequently written and coded to the same expense account. So now our expenses are overstated. To correct this, you simply go into the check, change the expense distribution, to accounts payable. You must enter the vendor name in the customer job field. Even though it's a vendor and not a customer, you must do that. You must enter it in there in order to for this fix to work. Once you've done that, click Save and Close. The next thing you do is go to the vendor bill pay screen, Pay Bills, and select the Cal Gas and Electric bill. And you will see now that this set credits is at $137.50, and that was created when we changed the check to accounts payable. QuickBooks knows that now there's available credits for this vendor. We want to set the credits, make sure that this is that specific credit is selected. You can see the date, the check reference number, the amount of the credit, the amount of this credit that we're going to use, and then the remaining credit balance. Verify all that information and click Done. Next, go down to and verify your check date. On this one, we're going to use the same date as the check. None of this really matters because this amount to pay, other than the payment date, we want to make sure that the payment date is correct. But the check in the account, the method in the account doesn't matter because there is nothing to pay. We're using the credit to pay the entire balance. If there was a remaining balance, it would the bill pay would reflect that there's still a balance due, and then when you subsequently want to pay that, then of course you would choose the method in which you're going to pay it and the account from which you're going to pay it from. So once that information is correct, pay selected bills. You can see that this bill is now paid. You can click Done. Go back to vendor bill pay, vendor pay bills, and you can see that bill for Cal Gas and Electric is now gone. This concludes our cleaning up the vendor bill pay screen. As always, give us a call if you have any additional questions. Thank you.